It's like buying a new car, right?
Yeah.
You spend all this money, you want to take care of it, you want to make sure it
Hmm.
runs for a long time. It's kind of the same thing with the stem cells. Right? It's a good investment with the money, but just to be healthy, I wanted to have the best chance, give myself the best chance. Shane Saito, 55 years old now. Um, I heard about your services through CPI stem cells. Uh, they recommended me that I get a good physical therapist, and you guys are on top of the list. And I also, through YouTube, finding out who you guys were, even a little bit before CPI, I had an idea that you guys are the specialists. So that's how I went with you guys. I had ACL surgery, which was my knee was all right, but mostly my hip. I noticed from a small injury I had like 5 or 6 years ago, not taking care of it, it kind of morphed into like some hip pain when I'd walk long distances. And I tried, lotions and my own kind of PT, trying to different things, and the stem cells started popping up a lot. And of course, the Joe Rogan and the podcast, I heard about it. Uh, and that's how I found CPI. I just looked at him, I talked to somebody, actually met somebody here in Hawaii that had gone through it for his back, had good results. So that kind of sold me right there. And from there, it's just that's how I started my journey. It's 110%. It's very important. I just retired about 3 years ago, and my vision of retirement is, working out every day, running, traveling a lot, doing a bunch of hikes. And from this injury, we were on one of our vacations in Japan. Japan's a lot of walking, and I couldn't get to the first day because of the pain. And from that point on, I'm like, I got to take care of this just for my well-being, not so much for, athletic prowess or, winning championships, but just being able to walk and function and enjoy life and not be in pain. Yeah. So it's very important to me. Very important. Number one on my 2026 list. If the biggest concern I had is doing the right thing to make it the most effective use of the stem cells, not doing anything wrong, making sure I get the 100% effect of the stem cells. I just didn't want to maybe re-injure myself or not do enough. So I kind of was in the middle of, what's the best solution. And that's how I found you guys. I wanted, I wanted to get the most out of the stem cells and of course my money, my investment. It's like buying a new car, right?
Yeah.
You spend all this money, you want to take care of it, you want to make sure it runs for a long time. It's kind of the same thing with the stem cells. Right? It's a good investment with the money, but just to be healthy, I wanted to have the best chance, give myself the best chance. Like I said, I during my search for CPI stem cells, I ran into your company and saw some of the testimonials. And when I was at CPI, they had mentioned the first part is getting the stem cells, but that's just part of it. And one of the bigger parts is getting to the physical therapy and making sure that you do the physical therapy and you do the work that's involved. I had a physical therapist here that wasn't too familiar with stem cells and stem cell therapy, so I had to always explain everything to them and kind of show like I was kind of explaining every time I went to them. I just found that going through you guys, because you guys have the experience and you know how the stem cell works, your program works a little better, well, actually a lot better, and it's easy for me to follow. I felt like I was getting 100% of the rehabilitation as opposed to going to some place that had no idea of stem cells and maybe getting 50%. I think I think of course the meetings. I'm doing mines from Hawaii during Zoom, so meetings were great, but having the schedule that I was given to by the stem cell specialist and how to follow the schedule and the little videos of the exercises helped out a lot because a couple of times I would look at like what does that mean and then click on the videos, but that schedule and having them explaining all the exercises helped out 100%. Yeah, and I gotta admit I didn't follow it. I didn't do it every day, but the schedule was there, and when I did do it, everything was a lot. It was set up for me. Can't really pinpoint a date, but I want to say throughout the whole um, time I was getting the stem cell specialist, uh, I would say immediately I felt from the stretches, I felt a difference. Then when he started adding in the weights and more mobility exercises, uh, I just could feel myself slowly, each time getting a little better, a little stronger, a little more movement. So I can't say exactly how fast, but each time he changed something, he added mobility or strength on it, it was the right time. So I was able to do it and feel a lot better. The schedule that he gave me, I pretty much, every time he pushed something up or made it a little harder, it's the right time for me. Well, I've been able to train a little bit harder with jiu-jitsu because that's the main thing that I do. My whole plan after retiring was to train 5 days a week and get my workouts in. And after this injury, I had to cut it down a little. But after going to the specialist and kind of rebuilding a little bit and taking away some of the pain, I feel that I can roll a little bit longer. I can get in there and go a little bit harder. Also, just the walking and the stretching, picking up things from the ground, I'm able to bend a little better. All those little things help. So, yeah, it's helped me quite a bit. I can't put a percentage number on it, but I feel way better than right after getting the stem cells from before I started going to the specialist. I think anybody that does the stem cells for mobility and even if you're just in pain without the mobility, I think for me the biggest one was the mobility. Just being able to do the physical therapy and kind of forcing yourself to stretch and do those moves. I think really important because the stem cells will work, get you the tissue there, but if you're not actually moving around and doing the right things, you might not get the full benefit of the stem cells. So I think anybody that uses the stem cells should definitely use your services, the physical therapy.
Hi, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for my weekly tips on recovering safely to create long-lasting results after stem cell therapy. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.